During our recent Kuala Lumpur trip, we stayed at this executive 2-bedroom apartment by NaiBNb in Agile Bukit Bintang, which I booked through Agoda. We were 4 adults and honestly, this hotel-style apartment was such a comfy stay. As soon as you enter, the kitchen is on the right, spacious, fully functional, and complete with a refrigerator, microwave, electric stove, and cooking and dining utensils. Beside it is a dining area with a round table and 4 chairs, perfect for quick meals before heading out. Then you have the living area, which was one of my favorite spots. The clown sofa was super comfy. The nesting table added a nice touch, and across it is a flat screen TV with Netflix and Prime Video access. I also love the little aesthetic details like the faux book stocks and flower vase. And the best part, from the living room you can actually see the Petronas Twin Towers through the big glass wall. The first bedroom has a double bed, open closet, side table, and lamp. The bigger bedroom has a queen-size bed, comfy pillows, big window, side tables, lamps, and a built-in closet. Across the big room is the vanity area with a large mirror, sink, and hand soap. And then adjacent to it is the bathroom stocked with toiletries and towels. Overall, this is perfect for your KL trip if you want a comfy, spacious, and pleasant stay right in Bukit Bintang.